Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to install a new font Windows PC. To get a new font you have to go to internet and you have to download a new font. You can Google for new font or you can download from a specific website like this. I have opened 1001freefonts.com to download a new font. Just if I want to install this font, then I have to download this font. Click on download, then folder. Then I have to extract this file. Just right click on the file and then click on extract here. Then you will get a setup file like this. Right click on this file, then click on install. The font has been installed and now we have to check that if the font has been installed or not. To check this, I have to go to Windows search option and type fonts. Click on fonts. Then this window will be shown. I have to, so my font has been installed